Hi everyone. In this session, I'm going to coach you how to link Google Tag Manager with your website. So this is one of the exciting topic you must try to understand. So I'm quickly navigating towards my WordPress website. So in this website, I am in my plugin. So if I just click on my installed plugin, you will be able to see I already installed a plugin, and the name of the plugin is called as the Google Tag Manager now. So as you can see, if I scroll down, so this is the plugin you need to install in your WordPress website if you have a WordPress website. So just click on the add new button, and after that this will be keep loading the page now, and then you need to specify here in this text box like Google Tag Manager for WordPress. So just click here, and after that you have to see in here that Google Tag Manager for WordPress is now currently showing. This is in the active status is disabled because I already installed in my local machine. So in your case this should be shown as the active one now. So you need to install, and after that what you need to do now, you just need to navigate towards your install plugin and click on the setting button. So on the setting button here you can see this window will be appearing, and in the basic journal sections you have seen that Google Tag Manager ID is displaying here. So what you need to do now, you need to copy your Google Tag Manager ID from your Google Tag Manager account and copy your Tag Manager ID. As you can see, this is my website and this is the tag ID, and what I need to do now, I just need to copy this tag ID and specified in my WordPress website here now. And after specify, you just need to click on the save changes. So once you click on the save changes, we are good to go with the configuration of our website linking with our Google Tag Manager now. So that's all about in this session. I hope that you understand that how you can link the website. In the upcoming sessions, the more knowledge I am going to